Have to get away from the Babylon. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
What's good, my YouTube family, my Nubian YouTubians? I know, I'm just as trifling as can be, right? Anyway, yes, as you can see, I am in my bus, my boots. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know this video that you guys are about to watch, which is a short video for me. Yeah, you can find those essential oil hair mix oils on my business pages on both on Facebook and Instagram under EssentialSilks. Also, I also want to let you guys know that I'm on another platform, which is Anchor Podcast. I am now podcasting. Make sure you download the Anchor app, or you can listen through Spotify. I would love for you guys to go and click those likes, those follows, those loves. Show some love to your girl, okay? Because I am just trying here. So yeah, go take a listen to my podcast. I got a couple keys on there. Hi, you guys. I just wanted to basically record my journey on my hair using my EssentialSilks oil mixture for hair. And yeah, I just want to record the process. I do believe it works. It's working for me. I definitely see a difference. My hair is getting thicker. You see those grays popping out on the side? Watch. You'll see it. It's a catastrophe. Not really. I don't mind it really for some reason. At first I did, but now I don't feel like I mind it so much. Anyway, yeah, my hair has definitely gotten thicker. My strands are stronger for sure. You can see on the sides it needs some more thickening, of course. And in the back where I actually had bald spots, but when I started experimenting with my EssentialSilks oils, my bald spots filled in, which were primarily in the back of my neck from where my wigs were. It's coming in slowly, but it definitely is coming in surely, for sure. Like, seriously. So here I'm just showing you how I parted my hair. I never could part this right. It's like I want it, when I say part it right, I mean to where it's layered, not in a column. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want them stacked on top of each other because it doesn't give the look that I want it to give. Anyway, when you're doing it yourself, you just be like, you know what, F it. And that's what I said. So I just kept on parting. And here you see me braiding the top. It's very simple to do these. If I can do it, anybody can do it, seriously. I just braid the top, and then you start to wrap after you braid, probably like an inch down your hair. Depends on your hair texture too, I believe. Because if you have really fine hair, you might want to braid it down a little more so your hair doesn't slip out. As you see, I used the rubber band method when I parted it. I do all the parts and rubber bands at the same time, and then I just go in and add the pieces. It's quicker to me to do it that way instead of doing everything one by one. Plus, it is very easy. It's easier to keep the hair that's you're not working on at that moment out of the way of what you are working on, because when you get them little stray hairs pulled into the last braid, oh, it hurts after your hair is done. So, like, yeah. I was getting like so tired. My face looks so puffy. Oh, yo, I lost weight since this video too. I had this hair in for like 2 months now, I think. Yeah. And I have washed it twice. And I love the fact that I can wash it. You can definitely see that it's clean after you wash it too. Anyway, yeah, so I had this hair in for 2 months, and I love the trinkets in the hair. I'm like collecting trinkets, hair trinkets. I'm trying to try different ones. I want to do seashells next. Anyway, yeah, I was gonna say something. I hate when I be tearing up. Look how fat my face is. It definitely slimmed down since then. Wow. Oh, that's what I was saying. I lost weight, y'all. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm happy about that. I added extra trinkets here, like that Leo one on the left side. I took it out though. I was just playing with it basically. I took a couple of them out because I felt like it was just too much different stuff going on. Look at these pictures after time. Y'all, this was like recent when I took these. Look at them edges popping. What? Because you gotta leave them edges out if you want them, honey. I was just showing y'all the different styles after time. Like I said, it looks better. And you can start pulling it up and doing different stuff. I love my little chopstick look. It just fits me. But not when I get into a vehicle. I'll be stabbing myself in the head, bitch. I'm like, oh no. We're gonna put these in when we get to our destination. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.